Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply download and install Fetch, which is the America's Rewards app, on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store. And once you've done that, search for Fetch just like that. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here. Click on the Get button and it's going to ask you to verify yourself. So simply go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, it's going to start downloading and installing onto your device. Maximum is going to take 5 to 10 seconds. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and install. Now, once it is downloaded and installed, simply tap on open and you can start getting rewards by logging in into your account or creating an account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.